Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In last video we have seen that how to download the file from Azure storage. In this video we will see how to upload the file in Azure storage. I already have the code and I am going through with the code line by line so that it will be easier to understand what exactly happening with the code. So here in the first line we have mentioned that this is container. And then I have a connection string. So let's see quickly how we can get that connection string. So let's come back on the storage, and I already have this storage. You can see that this is storage account, and then you can go to the access keys and click here, and then you can use either key 1 or key 2. So here we have the connection string. Let's copy to the clipboard and paste it here. Okay, now we need to have the connection with a blob service client. So here I am creating an object of blob service client and then putting the connection string so that we will have the connection with the blob service client. And then we need to get the container from, so in which container we want to upload the file. So here we have the method of get blob container client, and we need to pass the container name. So you can put any name here and it will, as it is a variable, then it will automatically comes here. Now we need to give the path from where we want to upload the file. Let's quickly copy this path and go to the path. So we can see that we have two files here. It's a small size 1 KB, so you can upload the size based on your file. So now coming back to the code, here I'm written this for each loop so that I can trace each and every path in the file. So you can see that it is giving us the array of the files, and these files have the path as well. So the complete part of the file I will show you when I will execute it, and I will put the breaker here so that I can show you exactly what is happening here. And then we are traversing it, and then here you can see that I am splitting with this so that I can get the file name. So here I am putting the logic to get the file name, and then I am creating a blob client, and in the blob client we already have this blob container client, and then we need to get the file. So get blob client so that we will have the client instance, blob client instance, and then we will upload that specific file. Here we need to give the file name. So let's quickly run, and then I am keeping it a breakpoint here. And before running the program, let's call it into the program file, as we already have earlier the download file. So instead of that, we just need to create Azure download. Let's copy this one, and then it is happening something. So come back on the code. Okay, just copy it. Maybe because of the file it is not okay. Now I can see that here we have the method, right? So just go to this, and we are not passing anything, so it is asking for, okay, so Azure download file, let's remove this. Okay, keep it like this and call await keyword, await. Okay, now we can see that the method is, there is no error. Now run this program, and I already have the breakpoint here, so the code will come back here. Okay, so just wait for few minutes. The program is running. We can see that here it is a progress, well succeeded. Now wait for a few minutes. Okay, so now the breakpoint came here, right? So now go through with this. just click on continue. It will directly jump here in the code and see what we have in the files. Just open it. You can see that the complete path of the file we have. So that is why I put in the logic to split it. Let's go into this at least for one, and then see it is splitting based on the given slash here, backslash, and then here I am putting the logic that the length -1 should have the file name, and here we are creating the blob client, and then here you can see that the complete path we are uploading, because this method is asking for the complete path of the file, and then execute it. So just click on continue so that we will not wait for other file. So it is done. Let's go to the storage and go to the files. Let's click on overview and then blob services and then the files, and we can see that this file is uploaded. So this is how we can upload the file in Azure. So in upcoming videos we will have more tutorials on Azure. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.